Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix update KB5062553 Not Installing version 24H2 in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, open your Windows settings. Then select here troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshoot. In this you can see here Windows update. Click on run. Wait for completion. After completion, close this window. Go to the services. In this you search app readiness. Right click on this. Click on properties. Then select here automatic. Click on start, then click on apply, click on OK. After that, close this window, then search here background intelligent. Right click on this, click on properties, then click on automatic. Then click on apply, click on OK. Then close this window, then select here Windows update. Right click on this. Click on properties. Here also select automatic. Click apply, click OK. After doing this, close this window, Windows key, then type here File Explorer. Open this option. Open C drive. Here you search the agent. If you want backup, then copy this folder. Then click on delete. After deleting, close this window. Go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. In this you type sfc space / scan now. Then hit enter. Wait for some time. After completion, close this window. Again go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Then type here one more command. DISM space online space cleanup minus image space restore health. Then hit enter. Here also wait for completion. Then close this window. After doing all this method, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.